Today I'm going to take you guys behind the scenes of a product photo shoot for the new ASUS Zenbook S13 laptop. We're going to head into the jungle here and let's see how it goes. It's going to be a pretty cool shoot. They've commissioned a photograph of the laptop in a jungle situation. They want to show off the intersection between nature and technology because they're using a lot of sustainable practices for building this laptop. And so this photo concept that I've come up with is kind of finding that intersection between technology and nature. We're going to use the drone to light up a nighttime scene in the jungle. I've never done this type of photography before with a scene lit up by a drone, so it's going to be interesting to see how this works. Just getting permission to go inside this jungle at night. There's lights on the bottom of the drone. So I think we found the perfect spot. This is a lot of green foliage, which is exactly what we're looking for. I want to get the laptop to be floating in the middle of this scene.
All right, so we got this tripod here. We're rigging it up with arms, and we're going to suspend the laptop here.
Because the laptop's only 1 kilogram light and 1 centimeter thin. Having the laptop floating kind of nails home that point, that the laptop is super light. Having the drone kind of hovering above it, shining its light down, is going to be kind of like a beam of UFO light. Looking pretty good. We've got our lighting set up a lot better than at the start. It took a bit of practice just to try and get everything lined up and lit properly, but it's actually working pretty well now. Just getting destroyed by mosquitoes though. So we've got all our lights perfectly lined up. We've got the shot. Now what we're going to do is take out the laptop and tripod and just get a clean slate. And that's going to allow us to Photoshop out that tripod really cleanly and have exactly the same shot, but without a tripod, to make it look like the laptop's floating. Yeah, I'm excited to see how this one turns out. I think it'll be pretty cool. We're going to be able to Photoshop out that tripod and make it look like the laptop is just hovering over the jungle and this beam of light is coming out of the top of it. We're covered in bugs, so let's go home. Good stuff.